Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video taking inspiration from Kathleenlights' Colourpop video that she just did. She posted it, I think, a couple days ago now, and she had this gorgeous smoky blue eye that everyone was obsessing over, and I thought it was gorgeous, so I thought I would try to recreate it myself. So if you'd like to see that and see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. We're going to start by going in with my Aveeno moisturizer as my primer. That breakout is literally so rude and just like interrupting my life. Now I'm going to use my Holy Grail foundation, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Porcelain. Okay, now taking Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to highlight and conceal under my eyes. Watching this back, I realized I didn't blend out a spot of that concealer. My bad. Now I'm taking my Photo Focus Pressed Powder by Wet n Wild. I absolutely love this stuff because I was using the e.l.f. loose powder and I took photos with it and it had terrible flashback. So this is what I use now and I am obsessed. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette to contour, and I'm using the shade Medium Cocoa. And now I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush to kind of diffuse that contour and make it look more blended and natural and not so harsh. So this bronzer isn't new, but it's new to me and I'm absolutely obsessed. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and I highly, highly, highly recommend this. Okay, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown, and I'm going to do my brows off of camera and I will be right back. To recreate her look, I'm going to be using the Dream Street palette by Kathleenlights and Colourpop, because that's what she used. I'm going in with the first color in the palette called Shooting Star for my crease. just going to zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm really doing. Now I'm taking the color Water Bearer. I'm taking this color and I'm going to put it all over my lid, and don't worry about it being messy because I'm going to cut the crease later. I'm taking the first color that we use, Shooting Star, and I'm just going back into the crease to blend it all together. Now I'm going to cut my crease with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. So I do realize that I'm not the best at cutting the crease, but give me a break because this is the first time I've ever done a cut crease. Now I'm taking the shade Kaleidoscope and I'm putting that all over where I just placed the concealer. Don't get me wrong, Kaleidoscope worked great on its own, but I just felt like it needed a little bit more of a pop, so I'm spraying it now with Fix Plus. I'm now going back into the shade Water Bearer to blend those two colors together. Once again, I'm going back in with Shooting Star to make sure I have a seamless blend. I'm going to clean up any fallout underneath my eyes and I will be right back. Now with a pencil brush, I'm going in with Shooting Star on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Water Bearer and putting that on my lower lash line as well and connecting it to the outer corner. This look was clearly so out of my comfort zone, but I really liked how it came out in the end. In Kathleen's video, she was wearing the Aquarius lip liner. I don't have that one, and I'm pretty sure it's sold out for good, but I do have the Aquarius lippy stick, so I'll be using that. In Kathleen's video, she was also wearing the Moonchild gloss on top of Aquarius, so that's what I did here. Alright guys, this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to follow me on my YouTube journey. Like this video if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!